Hello everyone. Welcome back to iMyFone channel. iOS 18 has officially launched. A lot of people are using the iOS 18 beta and want to upgrade to the official iOS 18 version but don't know how. Don't worry. This video will give you the best solution. You can open General, then click Software Update, turn off that beta thing. Then you will receive the upgrade notification for iOS 18 official version. If it doesn't appear, don't worry. You can try turning the software update off and on, and refresh the page a few times by pulling down to make the iOS 18 upgrade notification show up. You can give the second method a shot by using a third-party tool, Fixppo, to download iOS 18 with just one click. Step 1. Download Fixppo from description below. Launch it and connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Under the iOS Upgrade/Downgrade tab, choose the Upgrade iOS as you want to get the iOS 18. Step 3. Fixppo will automatically detect your device. Once the info shows up, click the Download button to get the iOS 18 firmware. Step 4. Click the Start Upgrade iOS button and put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. Wait for a few minutes for the software to finish installing the iOS 18 on your iPhone. After your iPhone restarts, iOS 18 official has been successfully downloaded on your device. Amazing, right? Enjoy your iPhone with iOS 18. Exciting news. Share the issues you've encountered while using iOS 18 in the comments for a chance to win a Fixppo product trial voucher. Don't miss out, act now. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.